Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Trey. So, as you can see, I'm in a new area. I'm not in my bedroom. I'm in my living room because today I'm going to be doing my first little DIY video. I don't know if I'm going to do a voiceover to it or if I'm just going to make it really fast. I don't know, but today I'm going to show you how to make this little letter and with flowers. It's a cute little decoration. This is the decoration for my dorm. My dorm colors are black, white, gray, and pink, so I'm doing an accent color with pink. So I made this, it's a K. So the things you're going to need is the small things. You're going to need a pencil, ruler, a pair of scissors. You're going to need a hot glue gun. Hot glue gun. Extra hot glue, like extra hot glue sticks. You're going to need a bunch of printer paper. I think I used probably about maybe like 20 to 30 sheets. And you can either use poster board or cardboard for the outside of it, but the bottom of it is cardboard, and I just used a box cutter thing to cut out my letter, and then I used poster board to do the outside of it, or you can use cardboard and do the other side of it. Either or works. And then last, what you're going to need is, of course I used all of them, but except this one, you're going to need a flower, well, a bunch of flowers. I got these from Ben Franklin. I'm pretty sure you can get these at any of your craft stores like Michael's, Walmart. I'm pretty sure Dollar Tree, or move, Kingston, move. That's everything. So let's get into the video. The first thing you want to do is take your poster board or cardboard, ruler, and pencil and measure out how tall you want the border of whatever letter that you're doing. Mine, I measured 3 inches apart, and then I took my second poster board and I used that to help make sure that my lines were straight. And I just lined it up with the little teeny tiny mark that I made, and I just made my straight lines. So after I finished my lines, I started to cut out each of my strips. So I ended up cutting about 5 strips of poster board, and now I'm just hot gluing it to the edge of the cardboard. So now I'm just taking pieces of printer paper and I'm just crumbling them into balls of paper and placing them inside of the letter. And then I'm taking my hot glue gun and I'm just gluing them to the bottom of the cardboard and to the edges of the poster board. So now I'm pulling the flowers off of the petals, and then I'm just arranging them on my K to see where I want, and then also adding balls of paper in places that may need it. And once I kind of get a taste for how I want things to go, now I'm just going to start by hot gluing the tips of each flower and just placing them in a random order of where I want to go. And I also decided to add in the leaves of the flowers in certain spots to kind of make it look like a garden, and kind of pop out the different pinks and the white flowers. So as you guys can see, I finished my little K. I love it. All my things are hot glued. This is how I tested it, by the way. If you shake it, you know everything's glued down because nothing's falling out. I can't wait to hang this up in my dorm because I think this is absolutely cute. And another thing that I got from my dorm today, I don't have them in here, but I got removable wall stickers, and they're pink. They're like a lighter pink, and yeah. So this is that. That's the back of the side. Pause. Wait. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for a new intro, because I think we're going to do something different with my channel, because as you've seen, or if you haven't seen, I have a truth or dare video, and I just did a DIY video, so I don't think I'm just going to do a my life and my beauty. I think I'm going to do something different with it, so stay tuned for that. And
don't forget, you guys rock. You already know how it is. It's your girl, Kaylin Hopkins, and I'll see you in my next video.